It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rains down in Africa. It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. Ah, da 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 da. Hey, YouTubers, Swil Phist coming at you from here in the studio. I'm here today to do a tutorial on vocal warm-ups and singing exercises. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, hey Swil, how do you get that beautiful tone from your voice? And frankly, I don't really know what to tell them. I've literally traveled all over the world, and I've spent over $1 million on my voice, studied with some of the greats in the world, really. But I'm here today to share some of these tips and tricks with you for free, and these are things you're not going to get anywhere else. The first thing I like to do, and I do this every morning when I get out of the shower, is I just like to activate the abdomen. I just activate the abdomen. And the way I do this is with a low guttural cough, like so. Excuse me. You don't want to do this too hard. You don't want to dislodge or disrupt anything. Just a nice gentle cough. You just don't want to hurt yourself. And the next thing we do, we have to isolate the tongue from the jaw. Now this is an exercise I learned on my recent trip to Botswana. Some amazing African Americans there. I mean, some amazing clicks and pops and ticks. They do amazing tongues these guys have. And what you do, and it's really quite simple. You just pick a song, and you know you can choose any song you like. But I like to sing "Mommy Made Me Mash My M&Ms," and you just grab the tongue and sing. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Oh no. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Oh no. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Oh no. And so on, and it's really great. And once you get the tongue isolated from the jaw, we just move on to the lips. You just want to just make sure everything's nice and relaxed, right into the cheeks. Just make sure it's all relaxed, and you just grab the lips. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Oh no! Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Oh no! And I know it sounds kind of funny, but it really, really works. And once you've gotten the abdomen activated, you've got the tongue isolated and the lips activated, you're ready to start with your arpeggios and scales. We just take our starting note, and I want you to pay close attention to how I have my tongue placed in the palate of my mouth. It's just nice and flat and rounded, like so. And you can flip the tongue all the way around in a 360-degree angle, just like so, just to get started. And then you begin. It's really quite amazing. I mean, it doesn't even sound like my voice is coming from my mouth or my head. It's just coming from deep, deep in the core. And for you ladies out there, we start a little higher. We go up. It's getting a little high for me, but you get the idea. And you just go through the whole range from high to the low bass, and you do the scales, and you're good to go. You're literally ready to go into the studio and record your next hit record. So I wish you the best of luck, and I hope you learned something. Until next time, that's pretty much all I got.